How do you look at the way that this might evolve and what that might mean, how it might play out?
I sort of see this as there being a few different options if we're talking specifically about what the military options are. One would be using some of the covert assets that the US uses, trying to use special operations forces to do some type of regime change from within. I think that that's a little bit more of a less likely scenario. So instead, that makes me think that there's probably two potential strike options. The first one is going after infrastructure, having these big, showy strikes that are very visible and very public and can last for, several days, maybe a few weeks. The second option, which would still require some of those strikes on Venezuelan air defenses, would be one that's more so going after the various nodes of the cartels. So really, I think what we're seeing here are two kind of options. These big attacks, kind of a little bit like what we saw the administration do against the Houthis earlier this year. And then also these almost counterterrorism style attacks where they're going to go after transportation nodes and key leadership. In both cases, there's a fairly limited track record of success. And so that doesn't necessarily give me a lot of hope that they would be successful at going after and stopping the flow of drugs if that truly is the impetus for these attacks would be.